with morethanguitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play Engine Number 9 by Roger Miller. This song was originally performed in the key of B and modulated to C. We're going to do the whole thing in the key of C to make it easier for those of you that don't have good control of your bar chords yet. If you're a good solid intermediate player and have no trouble with bar chords, check below for the chart in the original key. Okay, let's start off with the chords. A C chord begins it. It's in the key of C. First finger on the second string, first fret. Middle finger goes on the fourth string, second fret. And your ring finger goes on the fifth string, third fret. You're going to play 5 strings. From there, you make one of the easiest changes in acoustic guitar, and you're going to go from a C to a G7. Your ring finger goes up 1 string to the 6th string on the 3rd fret. Your middle finger follows along, gets the 5th string, 2nd fret, and your first finger moves over to the 1st string, 1st fret, and play all 6 strings. And then down toward the end of that verse, we're going to switch back to a C, and now then, the next chord is a C sharp diminished chord. Don't panic, I want to show you a real easy way to play it. In music theory terms, it's a passing chord, so we're just going to pass right up to it. All I'm going to do is I'm going to slide the C chord up 1 fret, just all 3 fingers, all move up, and I want you to pick up your ring finger so it's not pushing all the way down on the string, it just mutes it, and then play those same 5 strings, which is an awful sounding chord by itself, but when you play C, C sharp diminish, and then go to the D minor, it's a nice pretty progression. And then on to the D chord. Your first finger plays the 1st string, 1st fret. Your middle finger is going to play the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger gets the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Play 4 strings. And then back to that G7. First finger doesn't even have to move. On down to the second section. Engine number 9, coming down that railroad line. Now then, the best sounding way to play a G minor is a bar chord. You're going to have to take your whole hand, slide your first finger up to the 3rd fret, play all of them. Now I want to show you 2 ways to do this. Let your middle finger hang, and put your ring finger on the 5th string, 5th fret, and your pinky right behind it on the 4th string, 5th fret, and play all 6 strings. And now if you have a hard time getting to that quick, usually it's the pinky that's the problem. So you can just play a G minor 7 and that sounds fine. Just leave your pinky out, get your ring finger on that 5th string, make sure your first finger is playing a good solid G on the low E. You can even actually do it just as a power chord like that if you have to. I know she got onto the C7, play your regular C chord like we've done before, and put your pinky on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. I want to show you 2 ways to play the F, an easy way and a bar chord way. The easy way, your first finger plays 1st and 2nd string on the 1st fret, and then your middle finger plays the 3rd string on the 2nd fret. Your ring finger plays the 4th string on the 3rd fret. It starts looking like after a while. You're just going to play the 4 strings you got your fingers on. The bar way is, of course, put your first finger all the way across. Make sure you get that low F rumbling. Middle finger still goes on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Ring finger reaches across and gets the 5th string on the 3rd fret. Pinky goes behind it and plays the 4th string, 3rd fret. Play all 6 strings, of course. C/E is really easy. It's another passing tone, so we're just going to pass it. So you go F, and then you're going to play the C, but you're going to play the low 6th string. And that's going to walk us down kind of to the D. Works even better with the barred F. How to strum it, we're going to do a heavy shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. We're going to accent 2 and 4 to give it that train feel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the basics of how to play Engine Number 9 by Roger Miller. I'll show you a couple of tricks. I kind of fake the melody at the beginning with a little chord melody. The first note is your 3rd string open, which you're playing with your C. Then you move your middle finger over to play the 3rd string on the 2nd fret and kind of let your ring finger mute the 4th string. And then put that back and pick up your first finger. And put the middle finger back where it was. As usual, practice it slow. On the original recording, Mr. Miller fades out like a lot of recordings do. I don't like to do that live, so I'll show you my favorite ending, but when you're playing it, play it your favorite way. After my last tag, I don't think she loves me anymore. I'm going to throw in a C with a G in the bass. Just move your ring finger up on the G, mute the 5th string. And then I'm going to play a single G note with my 1st finger. Then I'm going to play the C with my 1st finger, 3rd fret. I'm going to lay my ring finger across all 4 of the other strings. And that's going to play a C6. Don't forget to check below this video for links to the chord chart to the original version, the play-along video for this version, as well as other songs that you might like to learn. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Engine Engine No. 9 by Roger Miller, as requested by David Kelly up in Manitoba, Canada. Thank you for watching. I don't think she loves me.